Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off touch sounds on Motorola One XT1941-4. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Motorola One. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, go to sounds, okay, click sounds. And okay guys, here in sounds, you can see below the advanced, okay, click advanced. And okay guys, scroll down. And okay guys, here, you can see the other sounds and vibration. And okay guys, here, you can see the touch sounds. And okay guys, on the right side, you can see the switch button. You can enable this by turn on the switch button on the right side. And you can turn off again by switching the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, I decide to turn on the touch sounds of my Motorola One by switching this switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on or off the touch sounds on Motorola One XT1941-4. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.